Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do the dolly zoom vertigo effect in DaVinci Resolve. So to do this is pretty simple. So you will need a clip that is virtually just keep on going forward, just zooming in, but I'll use this clip so you have an example. So all you have to do is get the keyframe from your transform from zoom and position to the start, and then when you go to the end of the video clip, select the same ones such as zoom and position. So your goal here basically is to go back again, and then you will have to align the center of the subject with the last frame of your video. So it has to be at the same position. So it's zooming times 2. So let's do times 2 right there. So virtually it has to be at the same angle as the last one. So just position it right. So there you go. So that is how you do the dolly zoom vertigo effect in DaVinci Resolve. Virtually, this is not how you do it with this clip, but it's just an example on how to do it. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.